Now that the bathroom is closed in and insulated and heated, we decided to get ourselves a little something to make life a little better around here. We bought a toilet and we are going to install that today. The first step is concrete is never perfect, especially around plumbing or anything that comes up out of the concrete. So first we have to grind it down to make it smooth and flat so that the toilet sits properly.
Mark it. I wonder if a fan and just opening the door would be better.
Do you want me to go get the little Milwaukee fan?
I don't know. What do you think? It's a little cloudy in here, and we haven't been. Yeah. You got pretty lucky there, huh? It's almost sitting flat on the ground now.
Okay.
You see it? All the way front to back.
Okay.
So, and it's level enough. What do we look like there? It's pretty level again. I don't know how that happened. I didn't check anything. Okay, that's flat enough.
Okay, so
I mean, it was mounted up
right, so now it's just a matter of if we need to go down a little more to make that
right around the edge. Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, stop licking me. It's on me now. What the heck? Why is it in the lid so much? You just hold it.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why it's coming out of the
I don't know.
container. It just kept coming out. Down to my fingers. I don't think I need to put as much in here. Okay. What do I need? Yeah, it went all the way down. And the glue is trailed. Put it's sitting as it should. Uh-oh. Let's put that one in. That thing spins.
Yeah. The toilet we picked out has these smooth sides for easier cleaning, and with that comes a little bit different installation method. First, you put in this piece with your wax ring on it, and then you just set the toilet on top of it and bolt it all down. Conveniently, the YouTube video that we watched to brush up on how to do a toilet, he had the exact same one.
And then they also fit between these grooves without a lot of space. So. That sounds like a tank. That sounds like a tank.
Thank you.
Do you have some? Good boy. You know, he's obviously food motivated and treat motivated, but he still doesn't just eat himself to death.
No.
He would treat himself to death, I bet though.
You're a good boy. Yeah, I think so.
Through there and into there.
Yes, I believe so. And these little bolts go through here and through the hole on that thing.
And that's the way they're supposed to go, not towards the back?
Yes, I think so.
Okay. Plastic thing. Plastic thing, whatever it's called. Okay. Are there nuts or anything?
Oh, I think that's this little clear thing.
Just the washers.
just gets
He said
pushed
there was no
out.
nuts. I think I remember him
he
saying
said
that.
it was just like a little.
Retaining washer. Really? Am I supposed to? They don't really seem to want to go on there.
They don't show a tool or anything, so.
I got it.
Okay.
But like usually these just go easy.
Yeah.
It's not going easy. But I suppose it doesn't really matter if it's very tight. So, whatever, I guess.
Then the next step is just to put the toilet on top of it.
You ready?
I believe so.
Okay.
But then I think from the outside, this goes on and then these go through.
Okay. Ouch, that hurt. Just a corner jabbing on me from this nut. Okay.
This thing will go like,
Mm-hmm.
however angle it needs to attach to the screw.
I'm assuming a piece of the toilet slides in here maybe, and then this clamps on it. I don't know though. Boy, we're way off on our line, huh? Can't seem to.
Okay.
I got
And it lines right up to that thing.
But a good thing I didn't have to grind the whole area. Look how far off was it. Well, how'd that happen? Oh, it's because we put those. I don't know. We should have been right. We weren't. Right? Because the line is another 1.5 inches back. Seems like it. You tried to pull it out, it didn't come out, right?
Yeah, it does.
There we go. I'll just see if I can see it all. I can feel it starting the threads.
Okay.
A flathead. I think I got it now. It wasn't easy to start it.
Yeah. Well, because that thing in there hinges, and I think you gotta like.
And you're at the wrong angle to start it.
Yeah,
really.
and so it can move to match the screw, but until you find it.
Let's just get the other one in before
Okay.
we tighten it over now. Whoop. Come on. It's being Richard. There we go. I think it's on the line. And that is a pretty cool idea. I like that.
Yeah. And now we just turn it over and put it on
Mhm. They're all in, right?
I think so.
And you're gonna want to put the other one on before you ain't tightening.
And this one wasn't tight. Yeah. We have a toilet, no leaks, and everything functions. It's by no means a luxurious bathroom, but when you've had no bathroom for 2.5 years, it'll do.